Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Today, you and I are going to make a hot and delicious chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup has always been the go-to dish when we're not feeling well or we need to just spend an evening curled up in front of the TV with a hot bowl of something. So here it is. This is my recipe for chicken noodle soup, which I'm sure you're going to love. This recipe is a one-pot dish and it starts with a little oil in a hot pan. Next, we're going to add some garlic. And now some green chilies. These have been de-seeded, but you can choose regular ones if you want. इसके बाद थोड़ा सा प्याज. Cook the onions until they just start to brown. And now some chicken. Today for this chicken soup, we're using a chicken stock right here. If you want, you can make your own stock. The easiest way is just to use stock cubes जो पानी में मिलाना होता है. Or else you can boil chicken on the bone in water for about half an hour or so on a low flame. That'll give you a lovely stock. You want to make it even better? Add some spices, add some garlic, add some vegetables. वो अपने आप में ही सूप तो बन ही जाएगा, but that's your stock for you. And that'll be delicious, but this is going to be even better. We'll season our soup with a bit of salt. Black pepper always adds a zing to anything you put it into, but make sure, please use the fresh ground variety and not the stuff from packets. Our soup has reached a boil and it's time to put in the noodles. These are whole wheat noodles I'm using here. You can use any variety you like. Are the noodles done or not? There are two ways to tell. Number one, just pick out a noodle and eat it and see agar hua nahi hua to. The second way is to hold up a noodle like this and see कि उसका जो stiffness है वो कितना है. अगर आप उसको normally ऐसे पकड़ेंगे और आपकी उंगली के ऊपर होता और कच्चा होता तो it would be like this, the noodle. But if it was cooked, it would be hanging down like this. So that's a good way to tell 19-20 whether your noodles are cooked or not. These are cooked. And it's time for the zucchini to enter the soup. And now for some fresh green coriander. And finally, some mint. अब इसको एक बार मिलाएंगे, बॉईल पर लाएंगे और फिर गैस बंद कर देंगे. That's all. I can't tell you how fresh this is smelling. That mint and the coriander really make so much of a difference. उसके ऊपर से the aromas of the chicken and the black pepper coming up through there, it's just beautiful. I've switched off the gas. अब बस थोड़ा सा lemon juice and the soup is ready. I'd say try to go for different colors, different textures, and make your dish as explorative as you can in the way you look at it, in the way you taste it, in the way you bite into it. All of it matters. And this is going to be one real adventure.
So I recently went out to eat and one of my favorite cuisines to try is Chinese cuisine and I love Hakka noodles. So let's go ahead and make this recipe. So we've already heated a pan. Let's add a little bit of oil. I'll take a little bit of garlic and some chopped ginger. And just a little bit of green chilies. Give it a good mix. Let's add the onion now. Now we have to mix onion until it's translucent. We need to make sure that the onion gets soft. So keep mixing it. Let's go ahead and add some cabbage to it. It gives a very nice crunch to the end product. Let's go ahead and add our carrots now. Mix the carrot in well. Again, you do not have to completely cook all these vegetables because we want a little bit of crunch in our noodles. Now towards the end, we'll go ahead and add the capsicum. Now remember, capsicum takes not a lot of time to cook, which is why we add it towards the end. Again, you do not have to completely cook all these vegetables because we want a little bit of crunch in our noodles. Give it a good mix. Also, one thing that you will notice about Hakka noodles, everything has been cut in juliennes. That is nothing, that is just a kind of cut. We cut it in long, thin pieces. And now, we'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt. Now that we have added the salt, the vegetables will cook together well. They'll start releasing the water. As you can see, our vegetables are well cooked. Now we'll go ahead and add some soy sauce. Just a little bit. It imparts a lot of flavor and color. Just give it a good mix. So I've already boiled some noodles here. It's parboiled. Let's go ahead and add it in the mix. So I like using 2 forks and mix the noodles well with the vegetables so that it evenly gets mixed. If you're comfortable with the spatula, go ahead and use that. But again, home cooking is all about comfort. Also, if you see that I've added very little soy sauce because Hakka noodles is a little light and soy sauce also has a lot of salt which we already added earlier, so we do not want to make it extremely salty. As you can see, the noodles are well mixed with the vegetables. And again, these are parboiled noodles, so you do not have to cook them for very long. The noodles are ready to be served. You should have it right out of the wok because that's when you can enjoy it the most.